What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro. And yes, I do live in the United States, New York to be exact. I bought this at the DJI flagship store in Manhattan, New York. And I suggest if anyone wants it, walk in there and they probably still have some because I bought it a day after release and they said they did have a few left. But let's get ready to unbox this drone. This is the bag that they give you at the store. And here is the Mini 5 Pro Fly More Plus bundle with 3 batteries, and they claim to fly for 52 minutes, which is never the case. So I don't know why DJI markets these batteries as such. Let's get to unboxing. I actually don't like to cut the whole plastic off because I like to keep my box clean. So I'm just gonna cut around with my knife and try to keep as much plastic on it as possible. And let's see the difference between the Mini 4 Pro and the Mini 5 Pro this year. So right away, I do notice that the bag is a little bigger than the Mini 4 Pro that I had before. And still has similar designs of the older bag. So let's get to see what's inside the bag. Let's open up the controller first. This is the RC2. We've seen it on lots of drones in the past 2 years already. So this is nothing new. RC Pro 2. First thing we unboxed. Let's put that off to the side. Next, let's open this up. These are the batteries. These are the Fly More Plus batteries. There's 3. One more is on the drone, I'm sure. And these batteries are the Plus batteries, and they're no longer like the white color from the Mini 4 Pro. They're like a deep gray. And I actually like this color a little more. So I've watched videos online and they say that with a charger that's 65 watts or higher, 2 batteries charge at the same time, and the third one charges after these 2 are charged, which is way better than the Mini 4 Pro. Alright, let's put these down. Let's see what's in this box. So in this box there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spare propellers. You can never have too many spare propellers, just in case if you crash or you nick a tree or a branch or a bush. And the new feature this year with the Mini 5 Pro is that these are push to twist, unlike the Mini 4 Pro that you had a little tiny screwdriver with finicky screws that would strip after like the first time you take them off. So this is a much needed upgrade. What's next? And last but not least is the Mini 5 Pro. And it has a new gimbal guard this year, similar to the Mavic 4 Pro. And the way you take it off is you pull from the air vents back here. It's like clipped onto the air vents, which I don't know who designed that, but okay. You just take it off and pull, and this is the new gimbal guard. It looks a little tinted, like a black tint, and that looks very nice. And here's the star of the show, the Mini 5 Pro. And wow, I could tell the difference from this and my old Mini 4. This sensor is like 2 times the size. And it still has omnidirectional obstacle avoidance with these cameras here. But the new addition this year is the front-facing LiDAR. And I can't wait to try these in low light to see how good they work. Let me take off these stickers. And this is definitely a new design for the gimbal. The Mini 4 Pro just had one gimbal arm holding it. This has double. And the new feature this year on the Mini 5 Pro is that the gimbal rotates almost 360 degrees. I think it's 220 degrees. You know, let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. But it still does true vertical, 90 degrees, and it rotates almost 360 degrees. And let's open it. You also have another piece of foam there. So now, look at all that play that gimbal has. It's able to point 90 degrees straight down and like 70 degrees straight up, I think. Don't quote me on that. If I'm wrong, again, let me know in the comments. Let's open the drone up. So from the videos I watch, after you open up the legs, they turn on, but I don't think this battery came charged. Oh yes, it did. Weird. It's supposed to turn on once the leg opens up. I'll charge them up and I'll test that myself later. But this is it. This is the new Mini 5 Pro. Hold on, I'm supposed to have other things in the box. Hold on, I jumped the gun. Hold on. So in the box here, you get a USB-C to USB-C charger. And also, you get, this box is empty. Get some stickers in there, and I think the manual, but we don't need to see that. And these are the brand new Mini 5 Pro ND filters. They changed the design of the Mini 5 Pro ND filters this year. Last year, with the Mini 4, there were some screw-ons. You screw off the lens protector head, and then you screwed other ND filters on. This year, because the sensor is so much bigger, these are just clip-on. So you get an ND8, an ND32, and an ND128. But this is very much appreciated because with the Mini 4 Pro, you had to buy DJI's ND filter separate. But I'm glad it came with the Mini 5 Pro this year. Let me take one out. And this is what that looks like. Mini 5 Pro ND filter. Now let me try putting it on the Mini 5 Pro. So from what I saw online, you just clip these on. Hold that. And there we go. There we go. The ND is on the sensor. And I hope they don't fall off while we're flying. But that's for another video. Let me know what you guys think of the Mini 5 Pro. I would like to know what you guys think about this drone. And that's pretty much it for this video. There's not much to see after that. If you guys like this video, comment, like, and subscribe for more Mini 5 Pro videos in the future. I'm definitely gonna charge this up tonight, and maybe tomorrow I'll fly it and I'll make a video following up my first impressions and my first flight with the Mini 5 Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.